Can you find the value of x in this exponential equation? Solution. Nine raised to power x plus 4 equal to 6 raised to power x plus 4. I want you to recall this rule. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So let us apply this rule to this equation. 9 raised to power x multiplied by 9 raised to power 4 equal to 6 raised to power x multiplied by 6 raised to power 4. Let us divide both sides by 9 raised to power 4 over 9 raised to power 4 over 9 raised to power 4. Here we have 1, here we have 1. So 9 raised to power x equal to 6 raised to power x multiplied by 6 raised to power 4 over 9 raised to power 4. Let us also divide both sides by 6 raised to power x. So here we have 6 raised to power x. Here too we have over 6 raised to power x. So here we have 1. Here we have 1. So our equation now becomes 9 raised to power x over 6 raised to power x equal to 6 raised to power 4 over 9 raised to power 4. Now recall this, that if we have a raised to power n over b raised to power n is simply equal to a over b all raised to power n. So I can rewrite this equation as follows: 9 over 6 all raised to power x equal to 6 over 9 all raised to power 4. We can simplify the inside further. 3 goes in 9, we have 3, and 3 goes in 6 too. So I can write 3 over 2 all raised to power x equal to, here 3 goes in 6 too, 2 over 3 all raised to power 4. Also, I want you to recall this, that if I have a over b all raised to power n can be written as b over a all raised to power minus n. So let us use these rules for the right hand side. I can say 3 over 2 all raised to power x equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power minus 4. Since the base are the same, I can equate the exponent. X equal to minus 4. So the value of our x is minus 4. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.